Guys, it's 6 a.m. right now. I'm gonna cry. I've been up since like 5 o'clock because thanks to jet lag, but my view. Oh my god. This is insane. I think I am already feeling the New York City vibe because look at me. I think my outfit is screaming New York. We are going. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Can you make me wear it? We are going to get matcha. We are going to walk. We are gonna explore. We are gonna figure out like where we wanna do our breakfast. It's gonna be a quick one, and yeah, I will take you guys along with me, of course. Guys, we are out going to grab breakfast. Like I said, we are going to Blank Street to try the matcha because everyone has raved about Blank Street so much. I hope it doesn't disappoint because I like my matcha a certain way. Anik will have coffee.
Yes.
I still don't feel this is real. I still feel like I am in some kind of a movie set and this is all like a big stimulation that I'm a part of or something like that, because how can this be some people's normal life? Like, how can this be someone's everyday? This is my dream.
And you know the best part is we chose an area which does not have high rises because we live in Bombay and we are used to high rises.
And like every place looks so amazing. Oh my god. The siren.
It's so...
The siren. She said it's like freshly baked.
It's so...
The bakery person, she literally opened the bakery just for us. It was supposed to open at 10 o'clock, it's 7:30, and she was like, it's okay, it's fine. And then she complimented me on my nails and she gave us like freshly baked croissant.
I told you, it's so
good. It's so fresh. People here are so sweet. I love that. So Anik has gotten a daydream latte and I've gotten a strawberry shortcake matcha, and I'm excited to try. Let's do a taste test. First time trying everything bagel
with
in New
cheese.
York with cream cheese. We've just picked it up from the street. Okay. It's okay. It's not the best bagel I've had, but it's okay. Not too bad. So this is the matcha, that's the bagel. We are sitting on a random bench. This is the view that we have. Love life. Guys, I really wanted something like this to happen to me. Someone has just left this book. I have no idea what it is about, but like I'm still gonna take it because it's my first time. Like this kind of a thing is so common in New York. Yeah, also I got a New York Times, like just for memories. We are out. This is what I am wearing. A mini skirt with a basic tee and like a jacket because it does get windy. It's such a beautiful day again. So pleasant but also sunny, and yeah, so pretty. We are walking towards the subway. We are meeting a friend and then we are gonna head to a place for lunch. I am so hungry because we had our breakfast a bit ago, like quite early in the morning, no?
Yeah.
Guys, look at the walk. I feel so good. First time trying Chipotle. Thank you. Second matcha of the day. Not bad.
Is it better than the first one?
Little. Guys, do you all recognize this? All the Gossip Girl fans know that this is of utmost importance. This is iconic. This is where the Serena van der Woodsen scene was shot, where she entered the Grand Central Station. Look at it. It is so pretty. Oh my god. It is so sad. None of the peptides are available. None of the blushes are available. This is available. This I'll take. And there is one face wash that she uses now. That also I'll take.
Who uses?
Hailey Bieber.
Yeah. So you want the darker one, berry?
Yeah, I got this last time.
Yeah. It got over, no?
Oh. But is it good?
Get two.
It's very good.
Check your shade, na exact shade.
5C.
Perfect.
Yeah, these are yeah, what do you think? Which is my shade?
Do you want a bag?
The New York Public Library.
Pretty cool.
This event is so cool, guys. It's like an Adobe event and they have a whole thrift setup. Like you can literally shop. They have given us shopping cards. So you go through the event, you shop, you chill, you network. This is a dream event for me. Guys, Anik is insane. I thought this was gonna be a normal dinner and we are on the
101 floor.
Okay, we are on 101 floor. This is the view. I have no words. I am speechless.
Oh my god. Bro.
Day 2 in New York. I actually will tell you what happened today. So today is Wednesday. Today the last episode of The Summer I Turned Pretty aired, and I don't know how, I just woke up at 3 and then I saw a text that, oh my god, the episode is live, are you watching it right now? And I was like, dude, it's 3, no way I'm gonna, sort of do that. And then guess what I did? I did watch that episode at like 3:30 a.m. and yeah, it was such a emotional episode, if I may say so, as a Team Conrad person, as a Conrad girly. I am glad that he found his happy ending, but regardless, I watched that and then I went back to sleep, and then I woke up at like around 8 and got ready, took a shower, and right now going to grab a quick breakfast. Maybe we'll have that outside or bring it in the Airbnb, whatever, I don't know. And then we'll come back to the Airbnb and then I'll properly get dressed, and then we are gonna leave. Right now because we're so hungry, I'm like, you know what, let's just get out, let's just like get something to eat. So that's what we're gonna do. We just randomly found this place while walking, so I think we're gonna go. They have quite a few vegetarian options and it looks really pretty. Yeah, let's go. They are playing Taylor Swift. It is quite windy today and this is a hot chocolate. It's hitting. It's so warm and hot and I love it. We have picked up our breakfast and we are going to Central Park and we're going to sit and we're going to eat. It's such an iconic thing to do, and yeah, Central Park is quite near to where we're living, so we are just walking towards that. Guys, change in plans. We are going to go to the Central Park, but then all of the food was just getting cold and it's so windy and we're so hungry, so we just decided to sit on like a bench outside and we're just gonna have our breakfast. We are out and about going for lunch with our friends, so we've taken a subway ride. It's raining today, it's like a rainy day, so I don't want to get wet. I wore such a cute outfit and we had some other plans, but because it's raining we are gonna change the plans. So we are in West Village now. I have my Blank Street matcha. I need to try more matcha like from different places, but right now we just quickly found this one, so I grabbed one. Also had lunch and now I'm going to this thrift place which I saw I think on TikTok on someone's YouTube. It's called Old the Name Vintage. It was just like a 4-minute walk. Guys, we are in a photo booth which is quite expensive. We should just tell him only to take from his Fuji. This is how they turned out to be. It was quite chaotic and also expensive, but cute. Trying my luck for the second time on camera.
No.
I thought I'm recording. Calm. One more try, please.
Stars and all.
Arey Shubh yaar, your bad luck is like coming onto me. 7.
No.
Doesn't count, but third time.
Oh, she got it.
No, for the second time. I tried it for the second time. If no one wins, then I win and y'all have to buy me something. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna show you all a magic. Open can. I didn't do anything. Close can. That's so cool. This is the Chelsea area. There are multiple boutiques, multiple stores, and this is such a cute space. Like, they have this sitting area. Guys, oh my god, the way it's structured, it's beautiful. I feel like West Village has to be like a place that I really sort of like. We are all like walking, exploring, and it's just fun to sort of be with your friends and like go to different places, different stores. We were sort of window shopping also. We did some real shopping too. I have not bought, oh my god, that's a Hermes store. 2-story Hermes store. That's insane. That's insane. Like a designer store. This? Thank you. Wow guys, this was like a chocolate factory and now it's been converted into a market. That's insane. Ooh. Yeah, it was a cookie factory and now it's a market. These people are insane. They can do anything. Oh my god, that's so cute. The only veg ramen option, and we are gonna try it right now. But this sitting is so cool. I love it. I've never been to a place like this. We are renting a city bike and we are gonna go around in Central Park. This is one thing I really wanted to do, and yeah, you can just scan and you can just take the bike and take it around. It's so much fun. In my biking era, we are out and about. So in the morning we were in Central Park and everything. Then Anik had something that he needed to sort of go for, and I was literally in my Airbnb and I was doing nothing. I was editing my content, or yeah, I was just shooting something for a brand. But then I got ready and now we are going to our friend's place. We're gonna chill there, and after that we are gonna go somewhere. We really need to figure like where we are going and how we are going. I don't know, we are not able to sit down and do that, but we need to, because as of now we have not done much. So I mean, we have done, but like still we might go for biking, because we couldn't do that in the morning. Actually it did not work because some issue with the card, so we need to figure that. And yeah, the real New York. Oh my god. Going to meet a friend, got her some hydrangeas. They look so pretty. They're going so well with my outfit. So I did take some pictures. I mean, I don't know how good or bad that is, but I did that anyway. Also, I'm wearing such a summer outfit today because it's so hot. I am not even kidding. It's melting hot. Like my skin, every like piece of cloth that's touching my body, it's pricking my skin. It's really hot, really sunny. The sun is hitting very badly. Like it's not a good sun, and also there's no wind today, which sometimes feels very soothing and pleasant. So I would say weather today is sweaty and hot. Oh, I'm tired. Shit, what if my DJI drops? I'll not even find it. Good morning guys, day 4 in New York, and yeah, I woke up a bit ago and getting ready to go to Central Park again. Yesterday we couldn't really do the biking thing, and we really want to do that, and it's gonna be an experience, especially in Central Park. So yeah, I think we figured it out, so we'll be able to do it today. After that we're gonna go for breakfast, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun thing. Today we are also covering multiple iconic spots. I know I've been saying this for a while, but genuinely when you're here you just wanna feel like a local, but then you realize that you really need to like cover the places too. So I think we have like a full planned itinerary for today, and it's sort of gonna be a fun one. I should apply more of this because if it's windy, then I'm gonna like my skin is gonna feel very dry. Okay, that's fine. I also have this like dry shampoo, and I'm thinking if I want to use this or if I just want to slick back, but I'm in two minds. Should I just slick back my hair? Any which ways I'm gonna wash it today. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just slick it back. The way I use this product is insane. It's been my new favorite. It's from Fix My Curls, and it just helps me slick back so quickly, so nicely, and I love it. So easy to use. Also, I'm having so much so much of reflections here, because you know when you want to really come to a place and then you're here, you have so much to think about, so much to reflect on, and I think that's what's happening with me, and I'm really liking that. It's just fun. It's just fun. It's only been like 4 days, and like I can already see myself doing more, because you know the city just makes you like, it just pushes you. That's what I feel, that it just really pushes you to sort of do the things that you've been meaning to do, or like I don't know, just get your shit done, and you know what I mean, right? People say that a lot about Mumbai also, and that's true, but here it's just 100x of that feeling. So it's just fun. I don't really know if I've done my slick back neatly or not, so I'm just gonna do it there because there's a mirror there, and then I'm gonna like talk to you all in a bit. I am ready. I put a little bit of tint, and I wore the jacket just in case it's sort of like cold, because I don't know, I just feel very cold in general. And now you're gonna go. Also, please ignore the mess. This is not how I usually keep my Airbnb, but there's just too much stuff because I'm here for 15 days and there's no space, so it just ends up getting messy. But I need to sort of clean it up once I'm back. But yeah, let's get going.
Done. Take it out now.
Will this not be the last time we're doing cycling?
Yeah, of course. Guys, we did cycling in Central Park. Oh my god, it's a 10 on 10 experience. It was so good. It was so much fun. The view, the weather, it was sunny but windy, which is perfect. I just feel so grateful that I got to experience that, and I am pretty sure we're gonna go there like twice more before we leave. And yeah, then we just walked around, and now we sort of stopped by this cafe and we are sitting outside. I'll show you all what we are eating. We have overnight oats, and then that's a plain croissant. That's coffee for Anik, and yeah, it's just a quick breakfast. I am in MoMA right now. Anik loves it. It's his favorite thing to do. And oh my god, I'm at the design store actually, not the museum yet, because like it's just so much fun. There are so many things, and even I ended up getting like 1 or 2 like really funny things. Wait, I'll show you all. Yeah, so we are in the MoMA design store. First I got these stickers. They are vintage New York stickers, and I love stickers in general. And then this, it's basically like a telephone which you connect to your phone, and then you can hear anything, and it's just so funny and so cool. I love it. So yeah, these are 2 things that I have picked up. I might pick up like 1 or 2 more things, and then we'll go to the actual like museum. We just came here first because I think Anik has been in this area for a while, and he just like wanted to buy a few things and shoot his content. But anyways, I'm like so excited to see the museum also because it's iconic, and also the area we are in, it's just amazing. It's dripping money. Like, it's such a fancy area. Like, this is New York, and yeah.
Can you push it?
Oh my god. This is, oh, I can see it. I can see it. Damage has been done at MoMA. This is not mine, this big box. I got like a few small things, and now we are headed to have lunch. Late lunch, it's almost like 3:30. Tried crumble for the first time. This is my favorite. It's a raspberry something something, and then that's
this is chocolate chip.
That's mild chocolate chip, and there's one inside which is Hershey's Skillet something something. But oh my god,
Best comparison of Hershey's Skillet, like the taste is having ice cream or gelato with chocolate with cookie.
I don't know.
I think that texture.
But I think, like, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I think it's like worth the hype. At least I like the flavors of this week because their flavors keep changing, but these ones are a banger. Okay guys, so I changed. I have worn a really pretty dress and we are going to a Cetaphil event. I literally ate crumble and then went into like a washroom and then changed, and we are out and about. I am in Soho. Oh my god, this area is so buzzing. Like, this is like Soho. You know what I mean? Like, brands everywhere. There are such beautiful boutiques, such beautiful stores, and I want to explore all of that. I don't know if I'll be able to do that today or not because they shut like really soon. I think around like 6ish they'll shut, and I'll still be in the event. But I'm really excited for the event because it's going to be my first time going for an event outside of India, and it just happened so that I was in New York and they were doing this event, and I was like, oh my god, we are working together, might as well just meet the people I'm working with and it'd be fun. So yeah, I'm excited. I can't believe this. I am in Soho in New York. This is like the busiest area and it's insane. I have my pictures all over. I have never had so much fun at an event. Such a well curated event, and I'm so glad I got like an opportunity to be there, and it was so good, guys. Everything was so well thought, it was so well curated. The people, the team of Cetaphil, they were the kindest people I've ever met. Every time I think I meet brand POCs in a different country, they blow my mind. They are just always the best. They are the sweetest. They're the best. And also, I'm going back home and this is my view. Can you see the skyline? Oh my god, you can't, but like, I am so grateful. I am genuinely feeling every ounce of gratefulness in my heart, and please God, thank you. I think the universe is on my side. And on that note, good night, because I'm tired and I'll go home and I'll sleep. Day 5 in New York City, and I feel so pretty, and that rhymed. But can you all see a bow at the back? I'm wearing a really pretty lace top. I've like thrown on a trench coat on top. But we are going to the Met steps, and I'm so excited because I have seen, it's like iconic, guys. Met steps are iconic. Everyone has to go there. I am so sad it took me 5 days to sort of like visit that, but we are going regardless. So yeah, we're gonna walk through Central Park and we're gonna go to the Met Steps. We're gonna go inside the museum. Then there's another museum called Solomon, whatever. So we're gonna go that. Then we're gonna come back home, hopefully. And then we're gonna chill in Soho. That's the plan so far. But the plan keeps changing. So yeah, I'll take you guys along, of course.
You have convinced me now to get a dog.
Yeah. Guys, we stopped by this place and we spotted ducks. And look at this. This is insane. And so pretty and so calming. We are in the iconic Met Museum. Oh my god, guys. It is huge and the exhibits are going to be incredible. I just know it, that they're going to be massive. I got chills just like looking at them from afar. So I know that when I see them up close, I will be, yeah, I'll be speechless. So right now we're just going to collect our tickets and then we're going to get going. Might sort of go to a cafe first, which they have upstairs, and we will eat something and then we're going to see the exhibits. They were not able to close the matcha. We are in the subway going to Soho. Thankfully today we are going according to the plan and I hope it stays that way because I really want to sort of explore Soho and the shops. It should be buzzing because it's a weekend and I can see so many people out, like more than usual, and that's amazing because I love people on the streets. It's quite fun until I have to take pictures and then I'm like, why is everyone here? But then yeah, I think the next station is ours, is W4 Street, and from there we'll have to walk for 10 minutes and then we'll reach like the starting point of Soho, kind of starting point. It's like a very famous spot and they do like pizza slices, so we're gonna have one right now. You need to try the Joey's pizza along with the Coca-Cola. Finally walking in Soho, and yeah, I see a lot of people say it's their favorite like neighborhood to walk around, to chill around, and I agree fully. Like the boutiques, the brands, everything is so fun, so different. Every time I go to these places, I'm just exposed to the most different like things and like concepts and stores, and it's just so much fun. It's only window shopping though, everything is super expensive. Might buy one or two things, but no idea, like I'm not fully sure, but I do want to experience everything. So yeah, that's what we're doing with my friends. I am in a Princess Polly photo booth. Let's do this. Guys, we are at this cafe called Happy Medium, and it's like an art cafe. That's what we're gonna do to like end the day. I'm so excited. It's so aesthetic and so pretty. So we are making something from air dry clay, and yeah, I love this place. It's so cozy. Every corner is so aesthetic. We are at a cafe called South Soho for dinner. We're also meeting a few friends. So yeah.